What if I told you that the fastest growing privacy solution on Earth is not at the fencing company or the bamboo nursery? It is growing along ancient property lines and forgotten hedgerows where old farmers planted things they never explained. Plants that create living barriers without posts or permits. Plants that screen your property without invading your neighbor's yard. The fencing industry sells you panels that rot in 15 years. The bamboo they promised is now the most sued over plant in America. But your great-grandfather built a homestead behind living fences that cost nothing but time. Those hedges still stand today. He knew something the landscaping industry hoped you would forget. Stick around, because plant number 2 was so valuable that when supply ran out, it led to the invention of barbed wire. Here are 13 green fences that grow faster than bamboo, starting now. Welcome to the channel where we uncover forgotten solutions that modern industries buried. If you believe nature already solved the problems corporations sell back to us, then you are in the right place. So here are 13 green fences that grow faster than bamboo, ranked from impressive to absolutely incredible. Number 13, Hybrid Willow, the Speed Demon. You may have seen these sold under the name Austree, which is a trademarked cross between hang-cow willow and white willow. Researchers developed this hybrid specifically for maximum growth speed. Here is what makes hybrid willow remarkable for living fences. University trials documented growth rates of 6 to 10 feet in a single year under good conditions. That means a bare stick planted in April can be taller than your house by September. The root system stays contained and fibrous, unlike bamboo runners that travel everywhere. Hybrid willows tolerate wet soil that would kill most privacy plants. They also survive drought once established. Plant them 5 feet apart, and they will knit together into a solid screen within 2 growing seasons. The best part is propagation. Simply cut branches in late winter and stick them in the ground. They root almost every time, giving you unlimited free plants to extend your living fence. For anyone who needs privacy fast without the bamboo nightmare, hybrid willow is the speed demon that delivers. Now, hybrid willow grows incredibly fast, but the next plant on this list holds the actual world record for fastest growing tree on Earth. Number 12, Empress tree, the world record holder. Scientists call it Paulownia tomentosa, and the Chinese have cultivated it for over 2,600 years. Emperors prized the wood for furniture and musical instruments. Here is why the Empress tree matters for privacy fencing. Under ideal conditions, this tree grows 10 to 15 feet in a single year. That is not a typo. 15 feet in one growing season. No other tree on Earth matches that verified growth rate. The massive heart-shaped leaves create dense shade and visual screening within months of planting. In spring, the tree produces spectacular purple flower clusters before the leaves emerge. You can coppice it by cutting to the ground, and it regrows even faster the second time. Plant them 8 to 10 feet apart for a privacy screen that establishes faster than anything else available. One important note: some states list Empress tree as potentially invasive, so check local regulations before planting. For anyone who wants the absolute fastest growing privacy screen science has documented, Empress tree is the world record holder that earned its royal name. Number 11, Leyland cypress. Leyland cypress, the American classic. This tree did not exist until 1888, when it accidentally appeared at Leighton Hall in Wales. A Monterey cypress and Nootka cypress cross-pollinated, creating a hybrid that would become the most planted privacy screen in America. Here is what makes Leyland cypress reliable for green fencing. It grows 3 to 4 feet per year consistently, without the dramatic peaks and valleys of some fast growers. The soft, feathery foliage stays green through winter, when deciduous plants go bare. Salt spray does not bother it, making this ideal for coastal properties. Plant 6 to 8 feet apart, and within 3 years you have a solid visual barrier. No runners, no spreading, no lawsuits. Prune once yearly in late summer to maintain density and your preferred height. Millions of American homeowners chose Leyland cypress for good reason. It works. For anyone who wants proven year-round privacy from the most popular screening plant in the country, Leyland Cypress is the American classic that delivers. Number 10. Thuja Green Giant, the Survivor. The United States National Arboretum introduced this hybrid in 1967 by crossing Western red cedar with Japanese arbor vitae. Within decades, it became the most recommended privacy tree in North America. Here's what makes Thuja Green Giant exceptional for living fences. It tolerates cold down to zone 5 and heat up to zone 9. That covers most of the continental United States. Deer avoid it while they eat other evergreens. Disease and pest problems are virtually non-existent. It grows 3 to 5 feet per year while maintaining a natural pyramidal shape that needs minimal pruning. Plant 5 to 6 feet apart for a dense screen. The foliage has a pleasant fragrance when brushed against. Unlike bamboo, it stays exactly where you plant it, causing zero problems for neighbors or foundations. For anyone who needs a hardy evergreen screen that survives harsh conditions, Thuja Green Giant is the survivor that keeps growing when others fail. Number 9. Privet, the ancient boundary. Romans planted privet hedges to define property lines across their empire 2,000 years ago. Those hedges established a tradition that continues across Europe today. Here is why privet remains valuable for green fencing. It tolerates pruning better than almost any other hedge plant. Cut it hard and it responds by growing thicker. Neglect it and it still performs. Semi-evergreen varieties keep most leaves through winter, while deciduous types offer faster growth. The fragrant white flower clusters in summer attract pollinators to your garden. Plant 12 to 18 inches apart for an impenetrable formal hedge. Within 3 years of regular pruning, you have a living wall that rivals any fence. Privet grows 2 to 3 feet per year, and it responds to your shaping rather than fighting it. For anyone who wants a traditional European hedge that has proven itself across 20 centuries, privet is the ancient boundary that still works. Number 8. Lombardy poplar, the green column. Driving through northern Italy, you see these distinctive narrow trees lining roads and marking property boundaries for miles. They arrived in America in the 1700s and became the iconic windbreak of rural landscapes. Here is what makes Lombardy poplar unique for privacy screening. The tight columnar form grows straight up rather than spreading wide. A mature tree reaches 40 to 60 feet tall while staying only 10 to 15 feet wide. That vertical growth happens fast, 6 to 8 feet per year when young. Plant them 6 to 8 feet apart, and you create a wall of green columns that screens everything. They do have a shorter lifespan than some trees, averaging 15 to 20 years. Smart gardeners plant replacements staggered so they never lose privacy. For anyone who needs to block views from elevated angles, Lombardy poplar is the green column that reaches higher, faster. Number 7. Eucalyptus, the aromatic barrier. More than 700 eucalyptus species grow in Australia, and plant breeders have developed cold-hardy varieties that survive well below freezing. Here is what makes eucalyptus powerful for living fences. The aromatic oils that give eucalyptus its distinctive scent actively repel mosquitoes, flies, and other biting insects. Your privacy screen becomes a pest barrier at the same time. Growth rates reach 6 to 8 feet per year, with some species growing even faster. The silvery blue-green foliage adds visual interest year-round. You can coppice eucalyptus to maintain hedge height, or let it grow into screening trees. Those same aromatic leaves can be harvested and dried for household use. Plant 8 to 10 feet apart for a screen that smells as good as it looks. For anyone who wants privacy and pest protection from a single planting, eucalyptus does double duty as an aromatic privacy screen. Number 6. Mulberry, the edible screen. Chinese silk farmers cultivated mulberry trees for over 4,000 years to feed their silkworms, but the trees produce far more than silkworm food. Here is why mulberry belongs in your living fence. The dense branching structure creates solid visual screening, even in winter when leaves drop. In summer, those branches produce pounds of sweet berries that taste like a combination of blackberry and grape. Birds love mulberries so much they often ignore your other garden crops, making this a decoy planting that protects your blueberries and strawberries. Growth reaches 3 to 6 feet per year with minimal care. Plant 6 to 8 feet apart for a fruiting hedge that earns its space twice over. Mulberry tolerates drought, heat, poor soil, and neglect while continuing to produce. For anyone who wants their privacy fence to feed them too, mulberry is the edible screen that keeps giving year after year. Mulberry feeds you while screening you, but the next plant does something different entirely. It actually improves your soil while growing into an impenetrable barrier. Number 5, black locust, the soil builder. Early American colonists spread this native tree across the country because the wood resisted rot for decades underground. Fence posts cut from black locust lasted 50 years or more. Here is what makes black locust valuable beyond lumber. Like beans and peas, it fixes nitrogen from the air into the soil. Your living fence actually fertilizes the ground around it. Plants growing near black locust benefit from the enriched soil without any added fertilizer. The fragrant white flower clusters in spring provide early season food for bees. Sharp thorns along the branches create a security barrier that discourages intruders, both human and animal. Growth reaches 4 to 6 feet per year in good conditions. Plant 6 to 8 feet apart for a fence that builds soil while building privacy. For anyone who wants a living barrier that improves their land instead of just occupying it, black locust is the soil builder that earns its place. Black locust builds fences and builds soil, but the next plant has protected European farms for over 1,000 years. Some of those original hedges still stand today. Number 4, Hawthorn, the 1,000-year fence. Walk the British countryside and you will find hawthorn hedges that were planted before William the Conqueror invaded in 1066. Nearly a millennium later, those same hedges still define property boundaries. Here is why hawthorn outlasts everything else. The dense, thorny growth creates a barrier livestock cannot penetrate. Traditional farmers would lay the hedge by partially cutting stems and weaving them horizontally. This technique created living fences that were completely impassable. Modern gardeners can simply plant and prune for a dense, thorny screen. Hawthorn grows 2 to 3 feet per year, but lives for centuries with minimal care. The white spring flowers attract pollinators. Red autumn berries feed birds through winter. Those berries are also edible for humans and have been used medicinally for heart health. Plant 12 to 18 inches apart for a hedge that your great-grandchildren will still be enjoying. For anyone who wants a living fence that outlasts wooden fences by 900 years, hawthorn is the 1,000-year solution that time has proven. Hawthorn protects with thorns. But what if you want beauty along with your barrier? The next plant creates a flowering wall that stops everything while looking spectacular. Number 3, Rose of Sharon, the flowering wall. Korea named this plant their national flower, and it appears throughout Asian art dating back centuries. Here is what makes Rose of Sharon perfect for flowering privacy. Large hibiscus-style flowers bloom from midsummer through fall, when almost nothing else is flowering. Colors range from white to pink to purple to blue, depending on variety. Hummingbirds and butterflies flock to the abundant blooms. Even in winter, the dense twiggy growth creates visual screening that blocks most views. Growth reaches 2 to 3 feet per year, forming a substantial hedge within a few seasons. Rose of Sharon tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil that would stress other flowering shrubs. It self-seeds to fill any gaps that appear naturally. Plant 4 to 6 feet apart for a flowering privacy screen that performs when your garden needs color most. For anyone who wants their living fence to be beautiful enough for the front yard, Rose of Sharon is the flowering wall that delivers. Rose of Sharon brings beauty to boundaries. Now we have reached the plant I mentioned at the beginning. The living fence so valuable, it changed American history forever. Number 2, Osage orange, the fence that invented barbed wire. Before European settlement, this thorny tree grew only in a small region of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. Native Americans prized the wood for making bows, and the Osage tribe controlled trade. Here is why Osage orange changed everything. Frontier farmers discovered that a hedge of Osage orange was horse-high, bull-strong, and pig-tight. The vicious thorns created an impenetrable living fence that replaced expensive imported fencing materials. Demand for Osage orange hedges exploded across the American West in the 1850s and 60s. Farmers could not plant them fast enough. This shortage of living fence material directly led to the invention of barbed wire, patented by Joseph Glidden in 1874. Barbed wire was literally created because Osage orange could not be grown quickly enough to fence the frontier. The wood is the most ROT resistant in North America, lasting over 100 years as fence posts. Growth reaches 3 to 4 feet per year. Modern prisons still use Osage orange for perimeter security. For anyone who wants the living fence that was so effective it forced humans to invent an alternative, Osage. Orange is history growing in your backyard. Osage orange made history, but we have reached number 1, the plant that combines everything you want in a living fence without the drawbacks. Number 1, hybrid poplar, the complete package. Plant breeders crossed multiple poplar species to create the most practical, fast-growing privacy screen available. Here is why hybrid poplar earns the top spot. Growth reaches 5 to 8 feet per year reliably. That speed creates complete privacy within 2 to 3 years from bare root transplants. The root system stays contained and fibrous, causing no foundation problems and no neighbor disputes. Hybrid poplars tolerate wet soil and dry soil with equal ease. They handle poor ground that defeats other fast growers. Summer foliage is dense enough to block all views. Bare root plants ship cheaply through the mail and establish easily in early spring. They are affordable enough to plant in quantities that create instant living fences. No invasive spreading, no bamboo regrets, no lawsuits. Just fast, practical privacy that stays where you put it. For anyone who wants everything good about fast-growing screens with nothing bad, hybrid poplar is the complete package that delivers year after year. These 13 plants represent fencing wisdom that modern nurseries replaced with bamboo sales pitches. Your grandparents never bought bamboo. They planted hedges that stayed put, and some of those hedges still stand a century later. Frontier farmers built entire homesteads behind living fences that required no hardware store purchases. British farmers still harvest from hawthorn hedges planted before America was colonized. You do not need bamboo spreading into your neighbor's yard and cracking your foundation. You never did. Pick 1 or 2 plants from this list that suit your climate and your goals. Order bare root stock this winter and plant in early spring. By next fall, you will have privacy that stays exactly where you planted it. These plants have been creating boundaries for centuries. They're ready to create yours. If this video showed you what nature provides, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment telling me which plant you are ordering first.